नाउ माय क्वेश्चन इज, वॉलंटियरिंग में ना बहुत सारे लोग आजकल क्या है कि व्हेन यू सी मॉडर्न सोसाइटी वी आर वेरी वेरी कंफर्ट लेड, है ना? तो वॉलंटियर
And we
करने के
want
लिए
things
ना
very fast. And we don't
फास्ट
want to fail.
एट ईज, फास्ट एंड एट ईज, एट कन्वीनियंस.
At convenience.
मेरे को
Yeah.
10 मिनट में घर में डिलीवरी चाहिए, मैं नीचे नहीं उतरता आप सामान लेने के लिए,
Yeah.
है ना? मेरे को खाना घर पे ही चाहिए, मैं नीचे नहीं जाऊंगा भले ही घर के नीचे है, लेकिन मेरे को घर पे चाहिए, मैं 100 रुपये एक्स्ट्रा पे करने को तैयार हूँ. तो कन्वीनियंस इज देयर, कन्वीनियंस इज लीडिंग मी टू कंफर्ट, है ना? तो मैं किसी बैटल के अंदर अगर वॉलंटियर भी करूँ घुसने में, जैसे ही मैं घुसूंगा आई जस्ट स्टेप आउट. दैट इज व्हाट द मॉडर्न सोसाइटी, दिस इज हाउ द मॉडर्न सोसाइटी इज ऑपरेटिंग टुडे. हाउ डू
Yeah.
यू मोटिवेट, मतलब इज मोटिवेशन इवन अ मेट्रिक, और या फिर इम्पोज ही करना पड़ेगा मुझे खुद पे? फॉर एग्जाम्पल आर्मी ने आप पे इम्पोज करा कि भाई आपको, आपने पहले स्पेशल
Army, the one thing is crystal clear. I will come back to the point which I gave you first, volunteer.
हाँ, फॉर द
Army
स्पेशल
is voluntarily you go for army.
यस.
And special forces, you have to fill a para volunteer form in big capital letters. It is written. I am volunteering for this kind of duties.
कितने लोग जाते हैं उसको वॉलंटियर, कितने करते हैं? बहुत करते होंगे.
No, there are not many people, but
अच्छा,
considerable people come. But how many get selected?
Yes.
That is the game plan.
व्हाट इज दैट रेशो?
It can be anything, 10%, 15% out of 100 people coming, selecting. Sometimes nobody gets selected. Sometimes 30 people get selected. It is not a totally a kind of selection. It is a rejection process.
Okay.
So people do it. People have done it. People have been doing it across the world in the armies. So it is, you can't say that it is not doable. It is very much doable. But people who come with a misnomer of seeing what special forces are in movies, unke liye to it is a hard shock for them. It doesn't happen like that.
करेक्ट.
Ki one guy hangs his legs from the aircraft or choppers or helos, helicopters and move in, gaye militant मारे, वो तो नहीं होता है. For killing a militant, it can take 1 year, 8 months without sleep, without anything. It is like difficult. And these days too, it is even more difficult when militancy is not that high. Yeah. Earlier
So you're always training.
You are training or you are in ops. If you are not doing anything else, then there is no other way. यानी कि आप या तो ट्रेनिंग कर रहे हो या ऑपरेशंस में एक्चुअल ग्राउंड पे ऑपरेशंस कर रहे हो. सो दैट्स हाउ इट इज. सो volunteering is very, very important. You need to volunteer for the shit you have to go through. You have to volunteer for the jalebis you will have in lower life. Yeah, understand? अच्छी भी चीज लगेगी. When you walk in front, you are the best of the army, yaar. Nobody can say ki these guys are, it is best of the best. Army people like it or some other regiments don't like it, so don't like it. But you never volunteered.
The special forces.
The special forces are the special forces. What are you going to do about it? You can't do anything about it. You just have to admire them. That's what it is.
Right.
The peak, like in swimming, everybody admires Michael Phelps.
Right.
But uska point, he's proving his point, na? So you don't have any. So, like special forces, you might say whatever about them. They are special forces. They will have attitude. They will be arrogant. They will be like wolves. They will hunt.
But are you arrogant?
Professionally, yes, I'm very arrogant.
What
I'm
do you
very,
mean
very
by-
arrogant. Professionally, I'm very arrogant. I might be a very simple and a humble guy when I meet people.
Okay.
But professionally, I know I am very arrogant because I've struggled. I've never given up. I've never given up in my life. I've always failed. I've seen people failing in front of me and giving up on their dreams. I have not done that. I have never done that. I have failed in while जब मैं आर्मी ज्वाइन करा था तब भी फेल हुआ था 2 बारी. तीसरी बारी में स्पेशल फोर्सेस की प्रोबेशन में फेल हुआ, फिर गया, दोबारा गया, फिर गया, एक बारी और गया. In civil life I do it. That's why I know कि I have the caliber. Nobody can match my mindset.
Right.
I say it openly.
But this is दिस इज एब्सोल्युटली ट्रू, क्योंकि हम बहुत कंफर्ट लेड हैं, मतलब इफ हम का मतलब है कि मैं एंड
nobody
एवरीवन।
in my family, nobody knows what turmoil I go on a daily basis. My mind remains in overdrive. At night I get up. I again have sometimes difficulty to sleep because of the work I'm doing, because it's all alone. I'm taking new chances. It is not a job, na. It is, I told you, entrepreneurship, this is what I have done. In special forces, I used to take risks.
How do
And
you-
it is embedded in my veins to take risks. So I know if I talk to a corporate professional, I know I'm better state than you.